What the fuck is this? Welcome guys, Greenball back again with another reaction video. Today we're called Zerimar COVID-19. That's the name of the song. So I don't know, we don't know. So this is 2020 COVID-19 season, pandemic season.
Coronavirus!
So this is a dude from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm recently reacting to some Trinidad dancehall artists. They're fire, they're actually very good, bro. So I want to check out this one and see what COVID-19 song is all about. The Trinidad flag.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Is that the Prime Minister of Trinidad?
I am Dr. Pete Powley, and it is with great regret that I have to address you on this global pandemic, COVID-19.
Oh, COVID-19. Yo, my dude, mask up. Yo, hold on, wait. Since this name COVID-19, I only do it right. This name COVID-19, I just do it right, you see me? Right way to do it.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Right way.
Some say it's a bird, them say it's a plane. Some say it's a ball, but it's a fucking brain. Load up his sniper, catch him from far. We don't want no blood pan with that.
What the fuck is this? Yo, the rhythm sounds sick, bruh. Wait. Yo, the rhythm sounds sick. This is not a COVID-19 song.
Some say it's a ball, but it's a fucking brain. Load up his sniper, catch him from far. We don't want no blood pan with that a fucking stain. Boy, this is a war. Why this a no game? Why body I feel it down in a wooden frame? In a the cemetery, the tombstone set from your birthday to 2020 under your name. Why we just get shoot up? Guys, man, we not get too fucked. Me love it when them young and group up. The boy them soft, like the pillow them in a the ayatollah.
Yo, I'm not gonna, even though that thing here bad, sometimes I wish we wasn't fighting against each other. We should have fight terrorists. That's what we should do. Literally, group up with each other, fight some terrorists. That's the best way to put with strength to use. But the song here is sick though, I'm not telling a lie, song bad.
But not because of no virus. Him gone in the mag because the pussy tried us. Trinidad, bad man never mind us. Bad man can't stop my bus. Rifle car, big fat bullet by tip.
Yo, the man say rifle cough, big bullet bite him. Cause we all know COVID-19 all about coughing and sickness and all them something, you see me? So, this sick bro, I'm not telling you, that's like a sound. Yo, honestly God, out of all of the Trinidad artists I react to evil, Rifle War, Boy, Die, and Chucky, KRR, those songs were fire. But this one, literally, I don't know why this one does sound so good. The rhythm and everything does sound sick, bro.
Amazing grace, them a sing. Collect payment, ching. We have enough card for anybody where we live in. Head open like corn beef tin. If you try violate you, we will annihilate gunshot. Not even Mount up or the General Hospital could bring him back. Brand new AR-15 with the telescope on top. Remember me tell you better watch your head back. I'll come on down and I play that. If you try violate you, we will annihilate gunshot.
Yo, that's like a sick, bro. I'm not even exaggerating, bro. This is sick.
And that is that all guns
outside,
we don't need enough
what are they? M16 rifle or M4.
Big fat bullet by team, cause we bad like COVID-19. The pussy them soft, but this thing when they find him, he was never really good.
Body stink. COVID-19, yo.
Amazing grace, them a sing. Collect payment, ching. We have enough corn for anybody where we beefing. Head open like corn beef tin.
People, in order to control the situation, stay indoors, play it safe, don't violate. Triple O.
Yeah, the man said don't violate, you hear that mean? But you know the man them run and play black, don't violate the man them, you see me?
Load up his sniper, catch him from far, we know when the blood
Pain.
Boy, this is a war, why this a no game?
Pain.
Why body I feel it down in a wooden
Pain. Yo, that song got sick, bro.
From your birthday to 2020 under your name. Rifle car, Big fat bullet by team, cause we bad like COVID-19. The pussy them soft, but this thing when you find him, he was never really good at hygiene. Just kill him and laugh, amazing grace them a sing. Collect keep payment, ching ching. We have enough gun for anybody where we beefing. Head open like corned beef thing.
Yo, hey, that corned beef thing. Yo, that's a company of fuck. I think this is the best. Even though it's talking about murder and everything, as I said before, we should put our strength to murdering terrorists. I'm all for that. Killing terrorists. That's what you, not our own brothers. Killing people who are dangerous to the world, like terrorists. But this song was fire. It was sick. Not what I expected from a song called COVID-19, but the reference was kind of right, because what I think is kind of similar to COVID-19. Like the coughing, like bullet cough out, hitman, blah blah blah. It made look of sense right there. But this was sick. I know I'm saying it over and over, but I'm gonna give the thing props, bro. You see me? Trinidad artist. When I make on a name on the thing right there, I make on a name on dancehall, cause this sound this. Even the other one them react to them sound good too, but when I make on a name, you see me? But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.